Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. And today we're making our sourdough cheese toastie. So we've got a sourdough that I baked fresh this morning, and we're going to fill it with two types of cheese. We've got a Gruyere cheese, Swiss cheese to give that melt and that flavour. And to give that nostalgic taste, we've got some mature cheddar. So some slices just added into our slices of sourdough bread, and we're going to butter generously the outside of our toasties, so it's going to crisp up as it fries. Golden, crispy, delicious, crunchy cheese toastie. Straight into a cast iron pan for a couple of minutes. Turn over. And you've got a great golden crust. Careful to keep your cheese inside of the toastie. Straight into the oven for a couple of minutes to melt that cheese in the center. So here's our sourdough cheese toastie. Done.